Hi, I'm Jack from K&B Audio, and here's everything you need to know about the brand new Victrola automatic Bluetooth turntable. This is an exciting new product from Victrola that combines high-quality components making the automatic mechanism. This means that it is great for people getting into records for the first time or rediscovering a collection. This turntable can be hardwired to an amplifier or directly connected to a pair of active speakers using the built-in preamp switch. You can wirelessly connect to a pair of active Bluetooth speakers by using the built-in Bluetooth transmitter. Let's dive a bit deeper into the features. The main selling point of this turntable is the automatic functionality. You can easily start and stop the record with the touch of a button. No need to manually move the tone arm, just place your vinyl and press start. The turntable has a unique repeat function. When your record finishes playing, the tone arm will lift up automatically, return to the start and continue playing your record. You can adjust the speed between 33 and 45 RPM and the record size between 7-inch and 12-inch. You can do this via the simple slider controls next to the tone arm. It has an Audio-Technica ATN 3600L stylus found on lots of top branded turntables for high quality skip-free playback. You can also easily replace the stylus when the time comes, as they are affordable and readily available. There is a built-in turntable preamplifier. This lets you plug it straight into active bookshelf speakers or an amplifier without requiring any additional equipment. This is switchable, so you can turn it off if your amplifier has a phono input or you want to use a better quality separate preamplifier. It has a built-in Bluetooth transmitter for wireless connectivity. You can connect the turntable to your active speakers or amplifier wirelessly via the Bluetooth. This is ideal if you want to place the turntable in a different position to the speakers, and you can also use it to connect to wireless Bluetooth headphones for private listening. Included in the box with the Victrola automatic Bluetooth turntable, you're going to get the Victrola automatic turntable, a platter with felt slip mat and pre-installed belt, a turntable lid, a power supply, a 45 RPM adapter, an RCA audio cable, and a product instruction manual. Thank you for watching our overview of the new Victrola automatic turntable. We're really excited to see a brand new automatic turntable priced below £250 with some innovative features and good quality components. If you have any questions, then please feel free to leave a comment below or contact one of our audio experts. You can find the turntable with free next day delivery on our website at kbaudio.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos.